Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you had a very relaxing and enjoyable spring break. I know I did. Just a lot of doing nothing because there's not much to do, but we did have a productive time and we got our garden, we got all of our seeds in, and in a few months we will have tons of vegetables, tomatoes and squash and peas and peppers and I don't even know what else, but we planted a whole bunch of stuff today. So I'm recording this. It's Sunday, the 19th. So good morning, April 20th. Um, what you're going to start doing today, you'll see on the screen, it says welcome back. Monday and Tuesday, you're going to start working on a physical science menu. There are 4 choices. You're going to pick 3 of the 4 to complete, and they are due next Tuesday, the 28th of April. Under the classwork tab, you'll see resources to finish your menu. Again, it is due Tuesday, April 28th. Use time today, the 20th, and tomorrow, the 21st, to finish the selections that you want to do. A reminder, if you didn't already do it, is you have a current event for the 4th marking period. Your first one is due this Friday, the 24th. So I'm going to click on the PDF here, and your menu will come up. Okay, so you see you have 4 choices, so you have to pick any 3. Okay, Ed Puzzle, you have a thermal energy Ed Puzzle there. It says log into Ed Puzzle using the your Google account. Select the video entitled Thermal Energy. Some of you are making up work, but you're doing assignments from like the 1st or 2nd marking period. So check the dates. Check the assignments on Google Classroom. Make sure you are doing the assignments that you're going to get credit for. Some of you did adaptations Ed puzzles, and I'm like, that was from the 2nd marking period. So please pay attention to the dates, pay attention to my postings, and try and pay attention to Genesis too, because in Genesis it does say the assignments and the marking periods. The second choice is a turn and talk. You're going to interview a family member or somebody in your house or in your neighborhood. Stay 6 feet away. On what types of energy they've used today. Create 3 questions to ask. I did put a Google Sheets or a like an interview doc on Google Classroom under the classwork tab. I'll show it to you in a minute. So you have to ask 3 questions about energy that they've used recently. Write the questions and their responses on that share sheet. Okay, the third thing is there is a link under the classwork tab about an extreme sport research. You're going to read the article, and then you're going to pick one of the sports that you read about and write a paragraph explaining what the sport is and how it's related to energy, like maybe how they train for it, how much energy they have to use, how many calories they burn, you know, like I said, the training to prep for it, something to that effect. So I don't think I made a Google Doc, but you can just do that in Google Docs and share it with me if you choose to do that as one of your choices. The last choice is Mosamac. There's a potential and kinetic energy assignment. It says log into Mosamac. I know grade 7, you did not log into that yet, so there will be a separate link on the stream of Classroom showing your code. I think you just have to click on the link and it'll take you right in. Grade 8, you did a Mosamac assignment, or you were supposed to do a Mosamac assignment back on April 7th. So if you look at your stream on Google Classroom, you will find the link, grade 8, your link will be on April 7th if you did not already go on back on April 7th and complete that assignment. So you may have to scroll down in your screen and find, or in your stream or screen, and find your Mosamac link. Okay, so once you're logged in, you're going to be completing the potential and kinetic energy on that site, and it does say in the directions down here to skip step 3, which are the episode questions when you get to the lesson. I know when grade 8 did it, they had some issues with step 5. So if you have any issues, just comment, let me know, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this was attached to your assignment. This is what I see on my end. So your end will look a little bit different. I don't want to post this now, so I'm just going to cancel that. I'm going to go under the classwork tab. And you will see physical science menu, physical science menu. These are other things you're going to work on later on. But these will be highlighted because I have them being released in the morning on the 20th. So this is the Sports Energy. It says use the link below to complete the Researching Sports Energy part of your menu. So this will take you to the actual article. And then this is where you're going to put your, I did make a doc. This is where you're going to put your information if you choose to do that as one of your choices. Okay. Then the Mosamac, it says log on to Mosamac using the link, complete the lesson on potential and kinetic energy, skip step 3. 8th graders, it says it right here, your link was already shared on April 7th. So you would just use the link that is on Google Classroom to get in. And then you have your interview share sheets right here. It says using the interview share sheet provided here, pick a family member to ask 3 questions about the energy that they used recently. And this is what your doc is going to look like. Okay, so question 1, answer 1, question 2, answer 2, and then all you have to do is share this with me. Okay, so, and then the other thing is Edpuzzle, which you know how to get into Edpuzzle, no problems there, and it will be on your, if you just log into Edpuzzle, it will be there. Okay, so this was the post. And again, reminder that your current event is due on Friday. So if you have any questions, comment or email. Again, I hope you had an amazing break. We got, you know, a good month and a half left. We're plugging along. Let's keep it going. Not sure if and when we will be going back this year. I am leaning towards the no in that category. Unfortunately, a lot more districts and states around the country are opting not to. So we still have to get this work done. We still have to finish out your 7th or 8th grade school year. And I want it to be, you know, the best grades possible. Some of you need to boost your grades a little bit to get to the next grade level. But we will get there together. And like I said, I hope you had a good spring break. And now we're back and we are going to be continuing with physical science. Okay, I will catch up with you guys soon.